Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Eliminating data that consists of dual 3 consecutive numbers in Python can be achieved using various methods, but one common approach is to iterate through the data and filter out the undesired sequences. Below is a step-by-step tutorial with code examples to help you achieve this task. Before we start coding, let's understand the problem. We want to remove data that contains 2 sets of 3 consecutive numbers in a sequence. In this example, we don't need any external libraries. Now, let's write a function that eliminates data with dual 3 consecutive numbers. Let's test our function with some example data. When you run the above code, it should output the original data and the filtered data without sequences containing dual 3 consecutive numbers. In this tutorial, we wrote a Python function to eliminate data that consists of dual 3 consecutive numbers. You can customize the function according to your specific data and requirements. Feel free to integrate this logic into your larger Python projects for data processing. ChatGPT. Title: Eliminating data with dual 3 consecutive numbers in Python. Introduction. In data analysis or processing, you may encounter situations where you need to filter or eliminate data that contains dual occurrences of 3 consecutive numbers. This tutorial will guide you through the process of identifying and removing such data using Python. We'll provide a step-by-step explanation along with code examples. Requirements. Ensure you have Python installed on your system. This tutorial uses Python 3. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. Step 2. Define a function to check for dual occurrences of 3 consecutive numbers. Step 3. Create a function to eliminate data with dual 3 consecutive numbers. Step 4. Example usage. Explanation. Feel free to adapt the code to your specific use case, and use it as a basis for handling similar data filtering tasks in your projects. ChatGPT.